Hi, average. Today, let us learn the tricks to find out the average of consecutive even numbers. Which are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, etc. And what is the average of these three numbers? It is 4, the middle number. Sum is 12, number of terms is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, which is same as the middle number. And taking these 5 numbers starting from 12 also, consecutive even numbers, the middle number 16 is the average. Okay. And if the number of terms is even, here 4 numbers are there, then we can see that average is the average of the middle two numbers 4 and 6. 5 is the average. And here there are 6 numbers. We can see that the average is the 174 divided by 6 is 29. That is the average of 28 and 30, or the number in between 28 and 30. And here one more thing we have to see here. 2 and 6, the first and last numbers. See the picture. 2 and 6. If we are taking these two blocks to here, then the first and last become equal to the average. So, the average is the average of the first number and the last number. Here also, taking 3 from here and putting it here 3. So, 2 plus 3, 5. Here also 5, and 5 is the average of all these 4 numbers. So, we have to learn that also average is equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. Is this correct for odd numbers and for natural numbers? See it yourself. Find it out. Okay. Average of consecutive even numbers from 2. From 2 to 4, 6. Number of terms is 3 and average is 4. Average is equal to number of terms plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, number of terms is 5. Average is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. And here from 2 to 100, how many even numbers are there? 50 even numbers. We have seen in the case of odd numbers, 50 odd numbers and 50 even numbers are there from 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 100. So, 50 even numbers are there and the average finding it just like 2 plus first number plus last number divided by 2. 2 plus 100, 102. 102 divided by 2 is 51. Average is 51. So, number of terms plus 1 is the average. So, we can conclude that average is equal to number of terms plus 1 in the case of average of consecutive even numbers from 2. And number of terms. How will you find out the number of terms? N. N is equal to the last number divided by 2. How? Here the last number is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50, number of terms. 10 by 2 is 5, number of terms. 8 by 2, 4. 6 by 2, 3. So, this also you can see. And the last number is equal to 2 into number of terms. Here, whatever may be, P means whatever may be the last number. To get the last number, P is equal to 2 into N. 2 into number of terms here 50. 2 into 50 is 100. 100 is the last number. And 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 is the last number. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is the last number in that way. So, sum is equal to number of terms into average. That we know from the beginning itself. Sum of numbers is equal to number of items into average that you have learned. Here, as these are just numbers, terms, we will use the use the term terms. Okay, number of terms into average. Then answer the following. You have to answer it yourself. For that, pause the video, do it yourself, then only check the answers. Okay, that is, the first question is, the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. Find the largest of these. 4 consecutive even numbers. Average is 27. So, 27 is the average of the middle two numbers, or the middle number of the middle two numbers. 26 and 28. In between, it is 27. So, we can write the even numbers are 26 and 28 first. Then, the other two numbers 24 and 30. And which is the largest of these? 30. Answer is 30. A, B, C, D, E are 5 consecutive even numbers and their average is 46. What is the value of A into D? 5 consecutive even numbers. So, average is 46. 46 is the middle number and the other numbers are 42, 44, 48 and 50. What is the value of A into D? 42 into 48 is equal to 2016. So, the answer is 2016. The third question is, what is the average of first 50 even numbers? Don't forget to find it yourself. Did you get the answer? Average is number of terms plus 1. So, here it is 50 plus 1, that is equal to 51. What is the average of 2, 4, 6 and 80? The first number and the last number are given. Average is equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. 82 by 2 is equal to 41. In other way also you can do. What is it? Number is 40. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So, average is equal to 40 plus 1, 41. Okay. Then, the USS question of 2020. The average of some even numbers starting from 2 is 50. Which is the largest even number of these? How will you do? Did you get the answer? Average is equal to number of terms plus 1, that is 50 given. Then number of terms is equal to 49. So last number is equal to 2 into number of terms, that is 2 into 49, which is equal to 98. Got it? Okay, thank you. Bye.